Alright, so we got the driver unit. They're running. Three out of four motors are plugged in. We got X, Y, and Z all hooked up. And we have Mach 3 running. So, trying to figure this thing out, zero out all the axes. And we're gonna load a wizard. How about a circular pocket wizard? Alright, so using this mill, going clockwise, the mill diameter is 750,000, 3/4 inch. This is the pattern that it's gonna use to cut it. X and Y center positions are 0. Ramp is 375, I don't know what that is. Pocket diameter is 3 inches, that's pretty big. Let's make it, actually that's 3 millimeters. Let's change just 2 inches. Okay. And I'll make it 2 inches. Alright, step over, this is overlap, leave it alone, feed rate, let's just go fast just for the hell of it. Let's go, I don't know, let's try 70. And rapid height, I think that's as far up and down as it goes. Plunge is 1 inch. Step depth 150. Depth. Alright, I don't know. I have no idea. We're just gonna try it. No. Post this code. And we exit. The code should appear in the window. And there it is. So in this window we're going to be able to see the cutting action. This is the Z, the tool coming down here, and then it's going to start cutting. You're going to do one complete revolution cut, then come down some more, do another revolution cut until it's finished. And we'll see how the motors do. I'm going to hit start, and let's hit start. Probably as you can see down here, the Z-axis is coming down. Very slowly. Look how slowly that moves. And you see the Z-axis is coming down. And once it comes down to whatever it is that it's trying to come down to, it's going to go to... Wait, there we go. And the X and Y axis doing the cutting. And you can see that's pretty fast. Come down a little more. The axis is coming down a little more, so it's cutting vertically right now with the mill, theoretically. And then the X and Y are going to start moving to cut the circle. This is like way too fast, but for the sake of doing something exciting. It's still coming down very slowly. And the Z-axis I didn't mess with because they're going to be a pulley system, but the X and Y already set them up correctly. So that's the circular cutting. The cutter's going around the table, and now it's going to come down some more and do some more cutting and so on and so forth. We're just going to stop this. Alright. And we close the G code, we're going to clear it up. Cool. Well, at least those work.